How to turn on proximity chat in Warzone. So this will allow you to enable or disable prox chat on the new Verdansk update. The first step is on the home screen where you want to get your Xbox, PlayStation controller, or you can do this on PC as well. Just press the menu, then you want to go to the settings. So you can do that by using the right bumper or R2, and depending on what console, or on PC you can just click there. Go to the voice chat menu like so. Then you've got three different options. You want to make sure, of course, prox chat is turned on if you want it on, or off if you want it off. You can just do that by pressing on each of them there. So as well, make sure you have the last words chat on too if you want to hear the after elimination talking. Then also you'll want to make sure you have all lobby on so you can hear everyone that is in your game after you eliminate them. And remember, they can hear you after they eliminate you too. So keep that in mind. Leave a like on the video if it helped, to subscribe for more helpful videos.